Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another Walmart favorites. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, of course maybe you do since you saw like the thumbnail, but I did one of these not too long ago and I got quite a good amount of views on it, and people are like excited about that I reviewed it, and some of you guys are requesting certain boxes for me to review. Unfortunately, some of the boxes that you guys wanted me to review, they didn't really have a big selection this time that I went around. They did have two type of boxes, and one of them was for nails, and I normally won't go for those only because you guys, I get my nails done all the time and there's no point in me getting anything that's nail related. If I buy polishes or stuff like that, I usually give them for the girls, my girls, and sometimes I will either do that for like toes or just things like that, but normally I really don't buy anything because anything to do with pedicures or manicures or getting my nails done, I always just go get them done just because I don't have time for that. So that, I'm sorry, I won't be doing anything nail related. But the other box that I did review is all about skincare, skin stuff, like all that other stuff. If you haven't seen that video, I will put that link in the description in the bottom, that way you guys can check out that video if you haven't. But this box, there was only two of them left and the others were all the nail stuff. So this box right here is this one. This is the Walmart favorites, the latest in lips, which I am a lipstick girl. Like, I love lipsticks, anything with lipsticks, like that's my thing. This was a box that I originally wanted to get besides the skincare one. I was undecided between this one and that one. I'm lucky enough that they got two of them. The sticker is open, but hopefully nothing is missing. It still looks good, still looks sealed, and the box looks like this. So it does have like 2, 3, 4, 5 lipsticks, a lip mask, and then a lip plumper. So we're gonna go ahead and open up this beauty and see how the shades are and what they are, what they look like, how they swatch, and all that other good stuff. So again, I got this at my Walmart, which is 30 minutes away. Not my Walmart, because the Walmart in my town doesn't have these boxes, unfortunately. So these I had to go and drive 30 minutes, and I was already going over there, so that's why I grabbed it. Hopefully when I go to another Walmart like in the city, which is 45 minutes away, I will see more boxes and I will review those for you guys like you requested. But unfortunately they didn't have the other ones. I know one of you guys requested the glow one, and a lot of you were excited that I reviewed it, and you're going to go get them yourselves because you weren't kind of iffy about it. So I do love the skincare one. I will be doing a monthly favorites at the end of this month because it doesn't really count for January since I barely opened the box not long ago, and there are some few products that I am kind of like, wow, like they are freaking amazing. And my skin has been doing so much better because of certain product in that skin care box of Walmart favorites. So anyway, let's get into this video. Let me open this box and pull some of these products out and let's talk about them. I'm taking out the little seal. I'm glad that they are all sealed, and someone commented on my video the reason why they are, this one doesn't have it, but some of them have like a black X or a black mark on it, and someone wrote saying that it's because that way you won't return it. This whole box is $9.99, guys, and that's a really good deal because most of these products are not going to be $9.99 like total up to $9.99. It's gonna be more pricier than that. So this one is and also these lip shades are all like in the pink range. So if you're more like a nudie pinkish type of girl, then this box is for you. I like to wear pinks and stuff every now and then, like if I'm having like a nude type of day. More than anything, I'm more of like a bright pink, or if I'm gonna do a pink, I love bright reds are my favorites and stuff like that, like red orange, as you guys can tell. But there's days where I feel like shit and I don't want to do anything and I feel sick. Like right now I'm actually sick. The whole family had been sick, and I like my mouth right here, like it's hurting because I needed a root canal. And it's going off the subject. So anyway, that whole process, like it's hurting. My migraines are coming in, and when I feel like shitty, then those are the days where I kind of just want to do like a really good still eyeshadow with like a nudie lip. But this one is Burt's Bees, and I've never tried any of their lip products. This one is in the shade 803. I hate when people say O when it's 0. 803, and this is called I can't even see. I'll put it right here, okay, because I really can't see right now. I should wear my glasses. So right off, I like the little packaging. This is like really cute. And then this is the little wand there. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this. Wow, it's really pretty. It's in like a mauve, like I don't know, like a little bit of a mauve color. It smells like, I thought it smelled like, it doesn't linger much, but it does smell like kind of like a medicated type of thing. But that is a shade right there. It's really, really pretty. I know my daughter's gonna like this because she likes these type of colors. But this is, I don't know, this is really nice. It doesn't feel like, it does a little feel a little sticky when I touch it, but like it goes on kind of thick, and yeah, those are really, really pretty. I'm gonna do like a video at the end, and I'll take off my lipstick, and then I will go ahead and swatch all of them on my lips, that way you guys can see what they look like, and I will give you more of a description. So that is that one. The next one is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Lip Shine. Lips lick and feel hydrated for 24 hours. I've never tried any Neutrogena lip products, so this is another pink. It's really, really pretty. But this isn't sealed. It doesn't look sealed, but it does look brand new as I'm taking it out. And the wand is strangely weird. Like, it's odd, but it looks like a little dome. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and put this next to it. I really don't like gloss, but I don't know if I would like this. It's really kind of hard to put that in there. That is this one right here. You can see it's like a little shine on there. Pretty nice. Hopefully it feels different on my lips rather than my hand, obviously, but those are those colors right there. Sealed, and I like this because I already own their lipsticks that look like this, which is one that I'm wearing on my lips right now. This one is a liquid catsuit by I think this is by Wet n Wild's, I believe. Does it say? This is in Flirt Alert 942B Wet n Wild. It's a Wet n Wild lipstick, and this pink is really nice, though. I really like this pink. I already like these type of lipsticks. Again, like I said, I do have one already, and I love the wand on these, so I am expecting like more high expectations on this, just because I already own these type. But that is this one right here. Like, that is a really pretty pink. Like, I like that pink a lot. Ooh, can't wait to try that one. I haven't tried anything from Flower, and I'm excited that this lipstick is in here and this company is in here. If you don't know, Flower is a cosmetic line by Drew Barrymore, the actress Drew Barrymore, and I am so excited to try her lip products. I know she has her own little, like, there's more than just lip products in her line, but again, I haven't tried anything. And this one does have the line right here where it says that you know you can't return it, which I understand why they're doing that, because some of these, like, you know, you're gonna get your money back and you think you're gonna get money that's more than the box. Like, don't be that cheapskate. Like, don't be that cheap person, you know what I mean? But I can't wait to open this. The packaging seems really cool. This little wand, it looks a little strange. I've never used anything like this. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it right here. Ooh, wow. Wow. It feels really good on the hand, so hopefully that means it feels really good on the lips. It is this really pretty mauve color right here that is really nice, like a plum type of, like I don't know, like a plum. I don't know how to explain it, but it's like a really pretty mauve color. Like, it's really, really nice. I cannot wait to try that for you guys. Oh, I'm so excited for that. So this one is another lip product that is sealed. I just took it off, and it does on the thing have an X on it, so meaning that you can't return it. This is from Almay Goddess Gloss, which is a really pretty gloss. I've never tried any of the lip products either. Most of the lip products that are drugstore, I've tried Wet n Wild, I've tried Milani, I've tried Maybelline, CoverGirl. Those are the ones I've tried, but these I haven't, which is really good though, because I'm always like open for trying out new things. And this is a gloss, and it's really nice. It's more like a shine, like a metallic-y shine type of thing. Like, it's right here. Like, isn't that pretty? Like, even if you were to put like a nude lip and then you put this over it, that would be amazing. Even if you do like a matte lip and put that over it, that was really pretty. So that's what that looks like, and yeah, that's what it looks like. So the next thing I'm going to show you guys is a lip mask. Now I have tried this before. I actually bought this a while back, and this is my collagen hydrogel lip patch. I like the way these feel, especially since my mouth has been, like, my lips have been dry lately. I just always like to use these. Does it make a difference? I don't know. It just feels amazing, you know what I mean? So that is this right here. I like the jelly. I like the way these feel, like jelly mask and jelly lip mask. I like the way they feel. So that is this right here. So can't wait to try that. I'll probably do that tonight, to be honest. And then the last thing on here is a hard candy, and I'm not gonna open this for you guys because okay, first, I have never tried this product. I've never tried any of the products from Hard Candy. I think I've tried some of their eyeshadows before in the past. This is a plumping serum, and it's a Supreme Lip Volumizing Lip Gloss. And I already have natural lips, like big lips that are just what it is. So I don't need a volumizing, and I really don't like them on my lips. Like, I've tried some of the higher end ones because they just already have it naturally in the lip products, and I just don't like the way it feels. It kind of burns, and especially if my lips are dry, I feel it's gonna pica more, like, you know, it's gonna burn more. So I'm not gonna open this. I'm gonna see if my girls want this. It definitely has plump lips as well, but if not, I'll be doing, like, probably putting stuff in a little bag and just do like a giveaway later on when I get enough product and stuff. But I'm not going to be opening this because, again, I don't see myself using that. But the other products I do see myself using, and I can't wait. So these are all the lip sticks the lip shades that were in this box. I actually like everything. I actually think that the colors are pretty normal to use and not something that's like really, really weird. But then again, I'm going to try it out right now. So let's get all of this started. Okay guys, so I hope you guys like the lip swatches of the lipsticks that I put on. Now, I'm going to tell you how I feel about it. Now, first of all, this one I think is a really pretty lip color. I like the way it feels on the lips. I like the way it applies. So I think that this one is really nice. This one, however, I'm not too crazy about. I don't like the wand. I feel like the wand is so hard to get out of it and then put it back in because of the way the shape is. It's like kind of really hard, and I feel like I'm afraid that I'm going to end up breaking it so quickly, just because I feel like it's just going in there and it's just kind of bending every time I try to take it out and put it in. But yeah, I'm not too crazy about the wand itself. The lip product itself is okay. It's not like 100%, but it is a really good color, and it is like, it's okay. It's just the applicator I just do not like. This one I love. I really do like the color. I like the way it applies. Again, I've already used this type of lipstick. The one that I have on, I know this is like not a part of the video, but I just want to show you guys, like, I have the other one, like the one that's in the black. So I like the way these apply. I like the way they feel. I haven't tried all the colors, but this one isn't bad. This one I'm gonna have to say is my favorite out of all of them. The way it applies, the way it feels. It does have like a scent, but it's not a bad scent. It just has like a little like a floral scent type of thing. I like the way it is. It does go on like kind of like wet, and then it kind of dries a little bit. To a matte, because it is a matte. It says right there it's a matte lipstick, but it does cover like just one. I don't have to even double dip, like just the one dip that I pull out, like it does cover my whole mouth, my whole lips with it, and I love the way it feels. It doesn't feel as dry, it doesn't feel anything like that. So this is gonna be my first one, and this is gonna be my second one. And then of course these two are a tie. This lip shine lip gloss from Almay, it is like a really cool metallic-y color on the lips, but it does feel good. It doesn't feel too sticky. It doesn't feel like kind of like ugh, like you want to take it off. It feels like a grease ball, like a donut or something like that, like just you want to take it off. It does feel nice on the lips, so it is a tie between this one and the Burt's Bees one. So yeah, those aren't bad. The applicator is not bad either. Like, it's just really nice. It does cover quite a bit, but yeah. And then of course I'm not going to try this out, but that is it, guys. This is all for the box. Hopefully this is enough information for you guys if you are looking to get this. If you are a pinks person, then I think this box is really cool. It's only $9. You can't beat that, especially if you're someone that's trying to build your collection. I always say I have a lot of makeup, and I've collected over many years. I've done makeup for a very long time, and I went to school and beauty school and stuff, so throughout the years my collection has gone bigger and bigger and bigger. And a lot of the questions I always ask is like, how can I start to build my collection? Like, what would you recommend? If you are new, I always say like boxes like this. It doesn't have to be drugstore. Even high-end like Sephora always has like really good Christmas sales, or even sales right now. They have like like little packages where we have like all these little mascaras or all these little, get those will kind of help you to build and know more or less what to buy later on if you want to buy like the full size. I think stuff like this is really nice and help you with your collection. Destiny, my oldest daughter, didn't really have much, and now that's what I buy her all the time, is like little sets. And now I got her Vanity for Christmas, and her collection has been getting a little bit bigger, which is nice and cute and stuff, even though she still comes to mind. But but anyway, that is just something like, a little hint of how to maybe build your little collection a little bit bigger and better and have more, because I know it can be overwhelming, and then sometimes it's too much. Right now I'm looking around on my vanity and it's like, wow, I have a lot. I need to get rid of some stuff. I went through and I cleaned and got rid of a whole bunch of stuff that it's expired. But anyway, this is the end for this video and for this box. I actually do like this box. Again, I wish they would mix up the colors, maybe add more like different type of color, like maybe throw in a red, throw in like a nude, throw in like a hot pink, throw in a light pink like this, throw in like different types of lip colors that are wearable, because I know you don't want to have like a blue in there or green in there, stuff like that. I usually use them for eyeliners and stuff that are vegan and cruelty free. But anyway, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. Don't forget to slam the subscribe button, ring that bell to be notified for future videos, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah, bye.